Okay, software release presentation. Stress test. Why is that doing that? There we go. Okay, stress test. As we can see here, the admin wants access to credentials-based login. So we're going to test that out. And the test is successful. Okay. And we got recipe management. As we can see here, in support of admin needs the ability to manage the virtual recipe box, the admin should have access to edit controls. So as we can see here, we have edit controls. I'm going to go with chunky tomato sauce and delete it. Controls work. Test pass. Go home. Okay. Now we're going to move to the main user page.
So this page is basically covered by IPM 54, which says user needs to be able to perform keyword searches from the homepage. So under that, there are two child issues. One is for the editable text box that allows for searching. So as you can see, you can write down any of the text and perform the search. And the search functionality corresponds to IPM 115, which basically creates a match identification on the backend that identifies the keywords that are in the recipe lists. So yeah, that's a success as well.
Okay, now we'll navigate to my profile.
Okay, so here you can see the profile page. This is where users can change their dietary preferences. This feature addresses two key child issues, IPM 107, building out the feature that allows users to select meal preferences, and IPM 108, implementing the save functionality to update user preferences. So we'll select a couple of preferences, check off vegetarian and nut-free, and then click Save Preferences. And now when we head back to the home page and return to the profile page, you'll see the preferences we saved earlier, vegetarian and nut-free, are still selected. This is made possible by leveraging an SQLite database. And now we'll head back to the home page and move on to the next feature.
Perfect. Now we'll head to the uploads page.
So the uploads page goes off the parent story IPM 61, which is the user wants the ability to save, edit, and delete recipes in their inventory, providing recipe management, as well as child issues IPM 94 through 98, which is just the create save button, delete button, edit button. So now we'll test it. We'll grab a recipe. And name the recipe through the text inbox, and then you put in the path, save it, upload. We'll double check, make sure it's there. It's there, perfect. If you click it, you can view it. It comes up. Then you can remove it. We'll confirm if it's still there or not. It's not. So is a success. We'll go back to main page.
Right on, and now we'll navigate over to settings.
Yeah. So this is basically the page for device settings and how we want to receive the notifications. It is covered by IPM 126, which is a user should be able to adjust device settings for receiving notifications. And this is the backend is connected to SQLite database, so that the chosen options would stay the same for that particular user. So let's turn on the email notification, save changes, click OK, and go to main page. Now, if we come back again, that setting should remain. Yeah, and it's there. So this was a success as well.
Great. All tests pass for software release number 1.